Hello, how is everybody today? I am doing good. Got my eggnog latte going on. So good. I've got kind of an extra special sticker reveal today, or sticker unboxing. I've got my regular Four Bears adult sticker pack for the month of October, but Four Bears also had a sale going on this month. So since this month was my birthday, I hopped myself on over to their website and bought some just extra stickers. Stickers and postcards is what I bought. I don't quite remember everything I bought, but I know there was some cute things in there. So on their site, they also sell, like they'll sell the postcards that you get in every month. But you can buy them in like sets of, I believe you get 3 or 5 or something like that. Yeah, so that's cool. And then stickers, they sell stickers that have been in their packs, but they also sell stickers that haven't been included in their packs. So like holiday, very specific holiday ones kind of thing, like Halloween and things like that. So that's kind of what I was interested in. So I went through and took advantage of their sale. But first, we will do October 2022 Big Kids. Look at this mushroom. And I can't open it. They gave me the adult proof envelope. Okay, so we got this mushroom. Cute, so that's the little newsletter. And then we got, there's the mushrooms. Oh, they're funny. Look at him. I like those. Those are fun. And then we got some, little woodland animals, like a little Red Riding Hood going on there. A little like gray fox playing a banjo. Cute. Very cute. Love the little rose tree too. Very cute. And then we have, some like very woodland animals and little cabins and things. Very cool. Nice. I love what is that, an elk? I think that's an elk. I know it's not a deer and I know it's not a caribou, so it's gotta be an elk. Oh, it's definitely not a moose. And then we got these. Oh, these are cool. I love how artsy these are. So these are little animals in sweaters. That bird looks really angry about it. That one does too. This one's great. Oh, this is so cute. The fish in the sweater is like the best thing ever. Oh, and look, the background is knit. That's really cool. I love when they do little things like that. It's like such a cute detail. Then we have owls embellished with silver. Ooh, pretty. Very pretty. I love the colors of this. And then we have circles of landscapes, like treed landscapes, very pretty. They look very misty. They're all watercolor. Very nice. And then we have, like planners and agendas and journals kind of thing. Very pretty. Love the watercolor. Like, look at that. That's beautiful. Love it. And the one with the camera. And last sticker sheet. Little mice. Look at these little mice. They're little cooking mice. Cute. They all have little chef hats. Little rolling pin. This guy's having a time with some dough. Cute. Those are adorable. And then, last but not least, the postcard. It's a little mouse with the cake. That is really pretty. Yay. All right, so moving right along. These are the things that I special ordered. That's just a packing slip. That's just a packing slip. Okay. Da, da, da. Oh, okay. They're packaged. Those are the stickers. Oh, those are stickers too. So I got these postcards. Yeah, and I believe there's 5. I think it was like 5 for like $3 or something, which is crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. I do send postcards. Like right now I'm not, since, you know, we're going to be moving and stuff. But I am on Post Crossing. So I got those. Yeah, and they were like $3. I got these to use in bee journals. I have one from, this came from like the Big Kids pack. These I've never seen. These are really pretty. Love those. So I got those. All right, let's check out the stickers. I'm not sure how these are packaged. Maybe the Halloween are all together. Okay, so first we got, are these, oh my God, these are scratch and sniff. Look at these. I loved these. These are so cute. Oh, there's 2 sheets. There's 2 sheets. Oh, that's why. Okay, they're packaged separately because they're 2 sheets. Look at those. Aren't those adorable? These little like fruit dolls. They kind of reminded me like big time of Strawberry Shortcake. Mmm, smells so good. So there's those ones. Don't know why I'm bothering to put them back in the package. Take time to do that. And then here's the other ones I bought. These ones were all like part of the like Halloween sale, I think. Oh, I shouldn't say that. They're not necessarily all Halloween. I don't remember. I don't remember. So I got these because this cat, look at this cat. Isn't it beautiful? And a little pumpkin. Loved these. Oh, look at the little cat candy corn. Love, love, love those. And then I got these, and they're puffy. And they're like good puffy. They're not like plastic. They're like spongy, foamy, puffy. Isn't that so cute? They're so adorable. I don't even know what I'm going to do with these ones, but I'm like, oh my God, they're so adorable. And then I got these ones. Oh yeah, these ones. I think, did I get these? I think I did get these in one of the packs, but I was like, you know what? I need a second one because like, look at that. The floral and the whale and the jellyfish. And I mean, I'm going to put some of these in my scavenger hunt glue book because I have an octopus page. I have seahorses. I have whales. I have, oh, there's another whale. I have jellyfish. I'm kind of feeling like the turtles are left out. I might have to make a turtle page. Oh, and these. I love anything kawaii. Look at these. Look at these. Little jams and toast. And again, look at the background. It's like a checkered tablecloth. Isn't that so cute? So cool. So cool. Love them. And then I got, oh yeah, I thought these were pretty unique. Some Halloween jars. Neat. I love the eyeball one. That's so cool. Oh, look at the jar of mushrooms. Very cool. I love that one. So I got some Halloween jars. And last but not least, oh yeah, this pumpkin. Look at that pumpkin. So these are glittery, like hollow glitter. And little candies. And they're all kawaii. Cute. So that is my collective haul for the 4Bear Sticker Club sale and the yada yada blah 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 October 2022 Big Kids sticker pack. So yeah, that is everything. Very cool. Very, very cool. Exciting day to get them both at the same time. I got them yesterday and I was super busy yesterday, so I waited until I could do this today to open them. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. And yeah, take care of yourself and hope you all have a good rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Bye.